Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of Lesson I Set Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana, and I am here to present the line dance Heaven Sent from Nola. The song is Heaven Sent. The artist is Streetwize. The choreography is Stephanie Wilson and Tomaris Bowles of Stef, Xtreme Steppers of New Orleans, Louisiana. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in the step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. If you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And here we go. beautiful music, beautiful dance. Heaven Sent from Nola. Make sure you check out the step-by-step instructions. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.